Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. In previous video, we have learned about pixels, color statement, screen statement and pset statement. Now in this video, I will explain you some more statements which are used in QBasic for creating graphics and sound. First of all, I will explain you line statement. The line statement is used to draw a line between two pixels. Now you can see general format or syntax of line statement. First you have to write line, then in parenthesis box x1 comma y1 dash, in other parenthesis box x2 comma y2, then color of line, after that B or BF. Now I will explain you these terms where x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the pixel coordinates for two endpoints of the line. You can also specify the color of line. If the color is not specified, the line is drawn in white color. The line statement can also be used for drawing boxes by making use of B or BF statement or parameter. Now you can see first example of line statement. Screen 13, line 50, 50 dash 100, 100, 4. In this example, 50 and 50 both are the coordinates of x1, y1, and 100 and 100 both are the coordinates of x2, y2, and 4 represent dark red color. Now you can see second example, screen 13, line 50, 50 dash 100, 100, 4, B. The above line statement will draw a box. Now you can see third example of line statement to draw the two diagonals line across the screen. Screen 13, then first line statement is line 0, 0 dash 319, 199, 14. Second line statement is line 319, 0 dash 0, 199, 13. Now you can see fourth example of line statement to draw a heart. Screen 13, after that we have to write 6 line statements because heart is made up of 6 lines. Now you can see result of this program. Fifth example of line statement to draw two rectangles. Screen 13, line 50, 50 dash 100, 100, 4, BF. Second line statement is line 100, 100 dash 150, 150, 13, BF. Now you can see result of this program. Now I will explain you circle statement. The circle statement is used to draw a circle with a given radius around a specified point. The general format, or you can say syntax of circle statement is, first we have to write circle, after that in parenthesis box x, y, radius, color. Now I will explain you terms. X and y are the pixel coordinates of the center of the circle. You can also specify the color of the circle. If color is not specified, the circle is drawn in white color. Now you can see first example of circle statement. Screen 13, circle 100, 100, 10, 9. The above circle statement will draw a circle with radius 10. Now you can see in this example radius is 10 and center points 100, 100 in blue color because 9 is for blue color. Now you can see second example of circle statement. Circle 13, circle 160, 100, 20, 2. Second circle 160, 100, 10, 2. In first circle statement, radius is 20 and second circle statement radius is 10. Now you can see result of this program. Now you can see third example of circle statement. Circle 13, circle 50, 50, 20. Circle 50, 120, 20. Third statement, circle 150, 50, 20. Now fourth circle statement is circle 150, 120, 20. Now fifth statement for line. Line 50, 50 dash 150, 120, 15, B. Now you can see result of this program. In this output, 4 circles are here because we have written 4 circle statements. Now I will explain you paint statement. The paint statement is used to fill a closed area with color. The general format, or you can say syntax of paint statement is, first we have to write paint, then in parenthesis box x, y. After that color, then border color. The coordinates x and y indicate the coordinates from where the painting should start. These points should lie within the closed area that has to be filled. The color specifies the color to paint with, and the border color specifies the color of border of any shape which we want to draw. Now you can see example of paint statement. Program to make use of paint statement to fill a circle and a rectangle with color. Screen 13, circle 50, 50, 30, 2. Paint 50, 50, 13, 2. Line 120, 120 dash 160, 160, 4, B. Paint 130, 130, 14, 4. Now you can see output of this program. Now I will explain you generating sounds effects in QBasic. You can write programs in QBasic to generate various sounds and play music. QBasic uses the internal speaker to play sounds and music. First I will explain you beep statement. The beep statement is used to generate a tone for a short duration. It is mostly used in program to draw the attention for the user. Now you can see example of beep statement. Write a program to generate a beep if the entered number is negative. You can see program CLS print enter a number input n. If n is less than 0, then beep. And if. In this program we have entered value of n. You can see if entered value is less than 0, it means negative value, beep statement will activate. Now I will explain you sound statement. The sound statement is used to generate a sound of a specified frequency and duration. The general format, or you can say syntax of sound statement is, first we have to write sound, after that frequency, duration. In the sound statement, frequency is a value in hertz and duration is the number of ticks for which you want to sound to play. 1 second is roughly about 20 ticks. The allowed value of frequency is from 37 to 32,767. The following statement will create a sound of 1000 Hz for 1 second. Sound 1000, 20. In this example you can see 1000 for frequency and 20 ticks for 1 second. Now I will explain you play statement. The play statement is used for playing music. The general format, or you can say Syntax of play statement is, first we have to write play, after that in double quote string. A string is a series of letters, numbers and symbols that convey musical information. In other words, you can say a string is a collection of characters, numbers and symbols. So dear students, I hope you understood all statements which are used to create graphics and sounds. Thank you.